It's rough and dry. We're gonna fix that though. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for being part of the team. What I'm gonna try today is rice water. There's so many videos on it. Rice water this, rice water that. Like, you can search YouTube and there's like so many videos that will pop up. So I'm like, let me try it because it's getting cold out and I wanna do like protective styles and keep my hair thriving. I've been doing like quick weaves for the most part, but the front of my hair started I don't know if it's heat damage, but the curl pattern definitely got looser, so I'm like, it's time to put my hair away. So I'm gonna try this rice water treatment. Make sure you subscribe so you know every time I upload, and also click the notification bell so you know every time I upload. Like, YouTube be playing, you subscribe to someone and you don't even know that they upload anything. So make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so the way I've seen this done is people will steam their hair first. It's done many ways, but this is the way that I saw it done and I liked it. So I'm gonna steam my hair first. What that's gonna do is open up the cuticles so the product can get into my hair shaft. I have low porosity hair, so what that means is the cuticles of my hair are like this. So steaming it, hot water, heating up your product before you put it on your hair is gonna open them up and help the product penetrate your hair. High porosity hair, like their hair is more, and so what's in your DNA really. But my hair is low porosity. I did purchase this Curadew hair steamer. I purchased it like last year. And it looks orange. It was sitting with orange peels for like a week. So yeah, hopefully this doesn't get too messy. Just spray my hair. Get it all saturated. And it doesn't stink at all. Like, honestly, if you didn't want to rinse it out your hair, or you wanted to just like use this to water your hair throughout the week, you could do that. I made a really good batch. It does not smell bad at all. It smells like oranges and lavender. So I'm just coating my strands with the water, getting it all in there. Make sure my hair is wet. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a deep condition today, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this hair mayonnaise and put that on top of it. This is thick, really nourishing. about right here. But I'm gonna let it sit for like 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. So you can put on like a shower cap or a plastic bag, whatever you have, and let it sit. Let it sit for some time. I'm definitely planning on incorporating this rice water in my daily hair regimen, like as far as like spraying it with water, like moisturizing and sealing it and stuff, because it doesn't smell bad at all. It just smells like a regular hair product, and I'm like, well, okay, if it smells good like that, like you could put any type of fragrance that you want in it. Like I was thinking how I like the way the Jamaican mango and lime products smell. So you can get like put some fresh lime peel in there, mango essential oil, and it'll cut that fermented smell right out. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this condition, and